so do a 3-act task. I guess, yeah. Let's watch this. Act 1. All right, so showing us, hey, here's some sugar, and then here's a lot more where that came from. All right, so how many cups of sugar are in the case? That's not a case, that's a 12 pack. A case is 24. All right, we'll go along with what they said. How many cups of sugar are in the case of Mountain Dew? What is your estimate? Too high or too low? All right, so let's find out how much is in. I don't know. How much do you think that is? Yeah, I guess just take some guesses at your table. How much do you think is in one can? How much of a cup do you think that is? And then using that knowledge, how much do you think is in 12 cans? And maybe it'd be interesting to find out which table can get the closest. All right, well, I hope y'all had fun sharing out because I wasn't there to hear what you thought. What information might help you figure out how many cups of sugar are in the case of Mountain Dew? All right, so what question would or what piece of information would help you figure that out? Probably how much is in one can, right? Because if we know how much sugar is in one can, then we could probably figure out how much is in 12 cans, right? So, haha! Now we have some information, nutrition facts. In one 12-ounce can of Mountain Dew, there's 170 calories, 65 milligrams of sodium, 46 grams of carbs, and 46 grams of sugar. Wow. Well, 46 grams of sugar doesn't mean much to you because we don't we don't really use the metric system that much in America. So, except for when we're talking about food on labels, that's kind of weird, right? Um, but so how many cups do you think 46 grams of sugar is? Like a gram is about as much as, like, weighs as much as about a paper clip. So go ahead and take a guess of how many cups of sugar 46 grams is. There's a picture of 46 grams of sugar. Well, 46 grams of sugar is approximately, or about, that's a big old word for about, approximately, one fifth of a cup of sugar. So one can of Mountain Dew is 1/5 of a cup of sugar. So, how could we figure out how much sugar is in 12 cans of Mountain Dew? What expression can you make to figure out how much sugar is in 12 cans of Mountain Dew? Go ahead and talk to your tables. Welcome back. Yeah, if you think about it, we just need to take the amount of sugar and we need to multiply it at times as many cans as we have in the case. In this case, womp womp. In this case, there are 12 cans in the case. So here is a look at if we just skip counted. Now, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. 5 cans equals one whole. Then you have 1 1/5 for 6 cans, 1 2/5 for 7 cans, 1 3/5 for 8 cans, 1 4/5 for 9 cans, and then at 10 cans we have 2 whole cups. If we skip count it again, 2 1/5 for 11 cans, and finally 2 2/5 for 12 cans. So I want y'all to use what you know about the algorithm and try and create an expression that will solve this problem and end in the answer 2 2/5. You might get an improper fraction before you get 2 2/5, but I want you to create an expression that would tell us how much sugar or how many cups of sugar exist in 12 cans of cavity juice. All right, and we'll talk about it when you come back.